Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and this is the second part of my Zara haul. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Since it is the season and you know we had to get one. I got this beautiful sequin dress. New Year's Eve is coming up soon and I need something to wear. I need to sparkle, I need to shine, I need to look fabulous. So I thought this was the dress for me. I got it in a size small and it was $25.99. I'm super excited about it. Don't know what kind of shoes I'm going to wear with it. Maybe I might go with something pink and have like pink lipstick and I don't know, pink makeup as well. You know, go heavy on the blusher and the eye makeup as well. But I'm really excited about this dress. It's super cute and I think it's going to look really awesome on me. The sequins are here. This is absolutely fabulous. I really love it. I just think it's just amazing. It's just got so much sequins going on and it just makes me really happy. I feel like I am definitely gonna wear this for a New Year's Eve event. I just need to plan something for New Year's Eve and yeah, I'm just gonna rock it. I'm gonna rock this dress so freaking much. I just love it. I don't know why I love it so much. I think it's just beautiful. It's just perfect. And it's just one of those things that you probably wear for like one night and you forget all about it and then you take it back out and you're like, oh my god, it's still beautiful again. So I will show you the back. I don't know why I'm always so out of breath. I'm just constantly jumping up and down, so I do apologize. Oh, and my sequins are falling on the ground. No. Next up from Zara was something a bit different. I kind of saw it and I thought this looks interesting. I'm not sure how it's going to look on, but it looks interesting. Let me see. It is this polka dot play suit. Yeah, it's interesting. I like the front of it. I like the kind of skirt part. It's got this effect, which is nice. It's like ruffly. I like that. And it's really covered up. It's really conservative. But it's cool. I like it. I think it's really different and out there. Oh, I didn't notice the buttons as well on the side of the sleeves. Those are really cool. I got this in a size small and it was 29.95 euros. Okay, so I'm guessing it's like £25 or £25.99 in the UK. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I will probably, maybe, potentially wear it to South Africa, but again, South Africa just scares me because I don't want to die in my clothes. So I don't know if it's still going to be too heavy for me. I know this is definitely not going to be to everyone's taste, but I really like it. I like how it's super conservative and it's got, you know, the ruffle effect, which is just really nice and fun. I think it's a really cute little, is it a play suit or a dress? Oh, I put it on wrong. I think it's supposed to be a play suit and I put it on like a dress. Don't ask me how. But yeah, it's really cute. I really like it. And I can't wait to start wearing it out. I love this button detail. It's just so nice and special. I'll show you the back as well and do a little frill. Can't believe I put it on wrong. I don't know why I've been feeling jumpsuits. I've always loved jumpsuits, but the issue for me is because I'm sure I can't really wear them. But I thought, you know what, let me just try with Zara. You never know, I could maybe like roll them up, you know, just stay on trend or whatever. So I got this kind of boiler style jumpsuit, really casual, nothing crazy going on about it. It is a really nice and simple and basic jumpsuit in this really plain light brown color. It's got pockets, which I absolutely love. I need to keep things in my pockets. I think this will look really nice and work really well in a hot country because the material does seem to be nice and light and breathable. This is definitely something that my mum would really like. Personally for me, I'm just not feeling it. It's super low. Just kind of feel weird, like. But yeah, I don't like it. But I'll show you the back. Yeah, I just don't like the look of it. The materials are right and stuff, but yeah, it's just enough. So next up was a combo, and it is this stripe blazerish top and then these trousers. If we start with the trousers first, I went for an extra small. Again, Zara's trouser sizing is a little bit on the off size for me. Last time when I got small, it was feeling more like medium, so I got the extra small, and these look nice. I like the elastic waist. That makes me really happy. It means that I don't have a gaping hole in the back, because I generally have that because my body's a bit weird, you know, I have a small waist and larger hip ratio. But yeah, they're kind of these wide leg trousers, but they look really nice. The material feels lovely and soft and of really good quality. They're definitely not see-through. And they were $25.99. So to match with it, it is this kind of chemo style top. So it's got the belt at the back, so you can tie it up in the front. So you're definitely going to have that really deep V effect. I probably would just go braless and maybe get some nipple tape, whatever it's called, nipple cover-upper things, just to cover those up. I like the contrast with the black satin. I think that's a really cool effect. And again, I think this was in a size extra small and it was $29.99. But yeah, I'm really excited about this combo. I probably would wear it in the night time with some black heels, maybe if I'm just going out for dinner, or if I for some reason decide I want to drink for the night, I'll go out drinking and wear that. This is such a sophisticated and casual look. I like it. It's got that kind of pajama feel. It's very lazy, but yeah, it's really nice. I do wish my boobs were showing off a bit more, because you know what, they're gonna only be looking so good for so long. As soon as I have kids, they're gonna be saggy, and I want to show them off while they're perky and nice, but you know what, it's not every day we have to show them off. But yeah, I love this so much. I love the stripe detail. I think it's a really cool two-piece. The pants fit really nice, and the elastic is super amazing. And I like the fact that it does have the pockets. And I'll show you the back. So yeah, it's a really cool and fun two-piece. I also got these really cute leather shorts from Zara. Not really appropriate considering they're going to be too hot for me in South Africa, and probably not that appropriate in winter time here, but you know what, I'm not a very appropriate girl. But I really like them. They're so cute. I love how the belt matches with the rest of the material. I got these in a size extra small, so fingers crossed that they do fit and they're not too tight. And they were $25.99. The leather is really nice and thick. It's not a cheap material. It is really good quality, and I'm so excited about these. Last but certainly not least, it is this really nice and comfy top. When I saw it, I just thought, oh my god, it just looks so soft and comfy. Something just to wear casually around the house, or when I just want to go into town, just wear a top and jeans and some trainers. So I got this beautiful beige oversized top. I really like it. It's got the turtleneck and it's got short sleeves. It's a bit weird, but I like the weirdness of this top. It's really lovely and soft. Let's get the stats. How much was it and what size was it? So I got it in a size small and it was $17.99. So yeah, really loving this item, and I can't wait to try it on. So here is that really cool and comfy casual top on with the leather pants. I think it's really nice. I love the top. Really nice and soft and just super cozy. I like the little style that I've done with the shorts. I think it's really cool. So yeah, there's not much to say about it, but it's a really cool and comfortable sweater. Thank you guys so much for watching this second part of this Zara haul. I do hope that you're loving my Zara videos. I will most likely have a couple more coming, because I saw some really nice things the other day on Zara, and you know, I may have possibly purchased more. But you know what? Let's just enjoy this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. So bye!